Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Yes, today we are making chicken and broccoli stir fry. I love this. Okay guys, as you can see, there's more sauce on it. Yes, I love it with more sauce. So guys, come along with me and let's do it. It's a very easy recipe. It takes about 30 minutes to do, and you can just do it in your weekday as a mom. Okay, so come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much. So to start with, I am boiling my broccoli. I didn't really boil it, I blanched it, okay, just a little, and put it in cold water to keep the color. So that's what I am doing now. As you can see here, yeah, put it in cold water and you keep it. This is my chicken thighs. I didn't use chicken breast. You can use chicken breast if you like. I'm using chicken thighs, okay, because it's succulent. All right, and I add all the seasonings to it. I'll put them all in the description box for you. Some garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika. I'll put them all in for you, and some salt and also some black pepper as well. Guys, it's so easy to do. So you make sure that it goes on all the chicken nicely, and then you set it aside. All right, as you can see here, very easy recipe. Right, next I have my chicken stock or chicken broth, whichever you call it, okay, and I'm going to add some grated ginger and some grated garlic to it. As you can see here, yeah, just piling the flavor, all right, on the sauce. And then I'm adding some honey. Yes, you have to add honey to it. You can add sugar if you prefer, but I love adding honey. Okay, it makes it much richer and tastes amazing. Then you add your soy sauce here, and then the next bit I am going to add as well is I'm adding sesame oil. Yes, I'm piling on all the flavor in the sauce. I tell you, it's absolutely delicious. And this is optional. I'm adding Sriracha sauce. I love it. It gives it some spice. All right, and then add my corn flour to it. You can see that it's very easy recipe, okay? And then some black pepper. All right, that's all done. So I make this sauce and then I'll set it aside. Right, to make our stir fry, I'm using rapeseed oil, as you can see here, and then I'm cooking my chicken. So come along with me. So as you can see, the chicken is all cooked nice and tender. So I'm taking it out of my pan. And then the next bit is to add my chopped onions. I'm using red onions, but you can use white onions, any onions of your choice. Okay, so you just cook it for a little bit and then add the other ingredients. I'm adding my mushrooms. As you can see, I'm using button mushrooms because I love this. It's so succulent. It's so nice. But you can use any mushroom or chopped mushrooms if you like. I'm adding my broccoli. As you can see, it's nice and green because yes, you kept it in cold water. Okay, yeah, so come along with me. It's so easy. It's very easy recipe. I can't tell you much, but it's so delicious. I'm adding my chicken. Yeah, very easy recipe. And then I'm going to add my sauce, and it's really all done. It's all done. I love the sauce, guys. It's so rich, it's so flavorful, and I'll allow it to cook for a bit, okay, to thicken up, and that's it. Your broccoli stir fry is done. It's so good, guys. You can have it with spaghetti. You can have it with your rice. I love it with white rice. As you can see here, it's so delicious. So guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, okay, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.